tricks he knows. Check this out, lots of skill, lots of balance, riding the bike backwards, rolling on the pegs. All right, get those cameras ready because Fish has a trick or two up his sleeve. And I'll let you guys in on a little secret. The louder you guys get, the better Fish rides. So if you see something you like, make some noise. Check this out, going into a track stand. Coming to a complete stop. He's going to take his hands off, but you guys got to make some noise. From a track stand to a handstand.